Welcome to syGlass Academy. This is the Edit Surfaces tool. Right now I have a data set that I've used the ROI tool on to segment out some meshes. Select the Edit Surfaces tool, represented by a bunny with a crack through it in the toolbar. When you select the Edit Surfaces tool, there's a red and blue laser. The red laser is the split mode and the blue laser is the merge mode. To toggle between the split and merge mode, press and hold the trigger on the back of your controller. Point your laser at the surface you want to split and pull the trigger once. You're going to get a red circle on the top of your controller. You can edit the size of the circle with the touchpad. After you've rotated the touchpad to the desired size of your circle, place your controller into the data and pull the trigger. To confirm the split, press the touchpad once. To discard it, press and hold the trigger until it resets. Now we're going to try out the merge mode. So I'm going to press and hold the trigger until I have a blue laser, and then aim the blue laser on both of the pieces and click the trigger. This will automatically merge the two pieces. Remember that you can use your transformation tool to move the surfaces only and reset them back into your dataset. Thank you, and please visit syGlass Academy for more videos on how to use syGlass. Thank you.